YouTubers, this is the B17 bomber I videotaped the last time. I put it on there, and man, look at this plane. It's awesome, man. Look at it, man. This is an American built plane. I mean, it's awesome. That is gorgeous plane. The radio engine, I mean, it's nice. That's a big American plane, man. Awesome. You can see it. I know. That's the gun turret there. Bottom gun turret of the plane. Yeah, I like it. And it's awesome. Look how big this thing is. I mean, wow. It's a B17 American built plane. You don't see this every day. It's out here in a secure area where you really can't get to it except you have to look for the airport or ID badge or something where you can get in here to look at it. I mean, it's cool, man. I really like the plane. It's really awesome. Look at the picture of what they painted on the plane. That's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. American built airplane. I mean, it is gorgeous plane. I'm gonna see if I can get the whole plane in here. I'm backing up. Wow. Look at the wings, huh? Come on. There you go. I think I got all the whole plane in there. Look at that. That's cool. Cool little plane, man. B17 American bomber, World War II aircraft. Wow. I mean, it's awesome. Yeah, he got the gun turrets right there out front. Oh, I can see the gun turrets right there, the gun sticking out. You see the bottom turret right there. Right there, the bottom turret. And I'll show you the last old side, the other side of the plane. Then I gotta get going. Go get me some breakfast. Been up all night working on aircraft. I mean, it's really cool plane, man. B17 bomber, man. Yeah, that's nice. Alright, YouTubers, I'm signing out. Peace out.